Welcome people, it's the girl Christy and I'm back at it again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing and demo of the LAIFEN hair blow dryer. A big shout out to LAIFEN for sending me this product. I am super excited to try it. As you guys can see, I got mine in this gorgeous pearl white color with silver, but they do have many other fun colors you can try. From its sleek design to fast drying time and amazing features, this blow dryer is a game changer in your hair routine. It comes with 3 removable attachments that is easy to go on and a off button with 2 speed settings. It does have a hot to cold circulation mode, which helps limit heat damage, and who doesn't want that in a blow dryer? Okay, come on. There are 3 temperature modes, which you can tell by the LED temperature indicator on the back, and if you hold down the temperature control button, it changes from blue to yellow to red, which indicates cold, warm, or hot. If you are interested in this blow dryer, just continue to watch. Alright guys, so I'm going to be doing a live demo for you guys with the LAIFEN blow dryer on my natural hair so you guys can see how it dries my thick curly hair. So this is the bad boy that we're going to be working with today. It is super lightweight. You can definitely travel with this blow dryer, and I love that it comes with different attachment pieces. For today, I'm going to be going in with my diffuser attachment because I have a wash and go today. So I want to see how fast the LAIFEN blow dryer can dry my hair while still giving me volume. This is the on and off button, and this is the temperature control button. This is the LED indicator, so if I turn her on, which I will in a second, see that there is a ring around the blow dryer that will indicate which heat temperature you are currently using. There is a red, yellow, and blue temperature. Blue stands for cool, the yellow stands for warm, and the red stands for hot. There is a off section, a low section, and a high section. So we're gonna turn her on so you guys can, first of all, hear how she sounds, okay? She is way more smoother than a regular blow dryer. Those traditional blow dryers that be like, no baby, she is way more quieter. Listen for yourself. This is high. So that was high, and it wasn't that loud. We're gonna go for low, high, and the attachment is kind of like a magnetic snap, you know, it's like, you know what I'm saying? So this is pretty much what she looks like with the diffuser attachment, and I'm just going to show you her real quick with the other attachment. So we are going to go back in with the diffuser. This is what my hair is looking like right now. We did a quick little wash and go, and I did use 2 gels. So we're gonna see how strong this bad boy really is. Can this give me good airflow and a quick drying time? Stay tuned so we can see. Well, I wanna say my hair is not 100% wet, so that is gonna help. I'm just gonna set a timer to see if I can use the LAIFEN blow dryer to get my hair completely dried and stretched, because I do want volume and length. So we're gonna see how we can turn this into something great. Quick little turn for you guys. So I dried my hair for about 25 minutes with the diffuser, and after a while I went in with the hot to cold hair circulation mode, And if you hold down the temperature control button for about 1 second, it does go back and forth between the hot, warm, and cold hair. You guys will see in a sec that the LED indicator light is changing, which is a great mood when you want to limit heat damage as much as possible, especially if you're one who want to protect your hair and does a lot of blow drying. This is a good feature to have. After I'm done with that, I'm pretty much gonna go in and just stretch my hair and fluff my hair to style it and everything. You guys will see what I'm talking about in the rest of the video. Alright guys, so this is what my hair currently looks like. It has been 21 minutes, and my hair is about 80% dry. I know I look like a helmet head, but we're gonna go and we're gonna switch nozzles here, and I'm gonna take off my diffuser and I'm gonna put on the styling nozzle only because I want to go in and stretch my hair to give my hair some length and volume, because right now I know it's just scrunched up. The shrinkage is real, so we're gonna see how the styling nozzle stretches my hair, and that will also give it a little bit of extra drying, which will hopefully allow my hair to be 100% dry. We're hoping for that, but if it doesn't make my hair 100% dry, I'm still not even mad about it. So we're gonna see. I'm super excited. Let's get this bad boy started. I'm just going to take a little bit of hair back here and I'm gonna pull it down and just penetrate the airflow to my roots. This is what we are working with for right now. Alright guys, we're back. She is dry, she is shaped and stretched, and this took me about 25 to 30 minutes just because I needed to fully dry it and stretch it a little bit and shape it. And if I do say so myself, that is actually good time for the volume and just thickness of my hair. So a round of applause for the LAIFEN blow dryer, okay? Because 10 out of 10, I would recommend. If you need a good hair dryer that is affordable, has a fast drying time, and helps to minimize heat damage, then the LAIFEN Swift is the hair dryer for you. I will link all the links you will need down in my description box below if you are interested in this amazing technology. It is lightweight, sleek, and you can definitely travel with this. It is not heavy. You have the heads are detachable to where you can switch out and carry whichever you may need on vacation. The only thing that I will say is it would be great to have a head with a comb if you want to do like a blowout without having to use a separate, brush or comb. But other than that, it's 10 out of 10. I would recommend it. I got mine in pearl white with silver. Think it's super cute, and they also have other fun colors. So if you think you are interested in, you know, picking up this bad boy, it's fast, it's efficient, it's affordable. That's all there is to it. I will see you guys in my next video. Again, big thanks to LAIFEN for reaching out and sending me this product. It was super nice and I loved it. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.